Wow, look at the difference in that. You can look at the different patterns on this carpet. I have scrubbed one side and the other side is not yet scrubbed. This thing works like magic. It's so easy, under €5. And this is the before and the after of this. It's so easy. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is SEDDY. And as a mom, your carpet really gets messy, yeah, and you can't control your children no matter how strict you claim you can be. First thing, vacuum clean your carpet. You get water, you get white vinegar, and this is 99 cents in Lidl, and you just pour some into your bowl. You have to estimate with your eyes according to the size of your carpet the quantity you will need. That's thick bleach from THRIFT. That's 99 cents to about 70 cents from THRIFT shop. I have OxyClean, white OxyClean. These are all things I have at home. OxyClean is 65 cents. It's also a THRIFT product. I have this wrap. One side is a sponge, the other side is a cloth. I love it so much. I use it to clean my bathroom and tiles. A lot of cleaning at home I use it. It is so effective and it makes cleaning easy. I have these gloves. They have bristles on it. The gloves are 99 cents for a pair. I bought that in Zeman. I use it to clean, especially when I'm using chemicals like this and I don't want them destroying my hands, because long use of all these cleaning products are dangerous to your skin, and I'm trying to protect my skin. And the sponge, you saw the double-sided sponge comes in a pack of 2 for 99 cents. You can also get it in THRIFT or in Zeman, one of them. So I've put on my my gloves, and I'm just going to go right in. I'll dip my sponge in. I'm going to squeeze that, because what you need here is just the foam. You don't need the water, because if you don't have a means of drying your carpet will smell or it will really get messy. So I'm just going in with the foam and the bristles, and I'm going in to scrub that dirt lightly or vigorously depending on the gravity of your dirt. From the little portion, you guys can already see the difference. It already makes a big because my carpet has patterns. While scrubbing, I'm able to see the difference, and I'm able to know the spots that I really need to work on. Also, this mixture does not destroy your carpet. That's one thing I was scared of. I tried it on a little portion and it did not destroy my carpet. It just walked right in. My carpet it's a marble carpet, and with different colors you get scared and you don't want to destroy that pattern. But this mixture, if you're scared, you can try on a little portion of the carpet before diving into the process. And as you can see, I keep dipping my sponge into the bowl. I rinse it off because I need to rinse out the dirt, and I go back and keep scrubbing. Use just the foam, don't use the water if you don't have a means of drying your carpet, because this is night, my kids are asleep, and all I'm going to do is place this on the heater, lock the living room, and by tomorrow it's going to be dry. My kids are asleep. I know they will not come downstairs to mess it up, so I'm really sure about what I'm doing. Wow, look at that. It's so clean. I mean, I have restored this carpet to its original form, and it's so soft and it's properly treated. It did not bleach my carpet. My carpet is back to the way I bought it, and I'm so happy. This is the point where I say, please subscribe to this channel, support me, leave a comment below if you liked it, and thanks for watching. Bye.